everyone, this is Rashmi. In this video, I'm gonna show you an Italian lunch cuisine which including a main dish, side dish, salad and a dessert. A Mediterranean cuisine consisting of the ingredients, recipes and cooking techniques developed across the Italian peninsula and later spread around the world together with waves of Italian diaspora. Some of these foods were imported from other cultures as a result of colonization of Americans and the introduction of potatoes, tomatoes, capsicum, etc. The latter introduced the quantity in the 18th century. It is one of the best known and most appreciated gastronomies worldwide.